From the icy plains of the Arctic to the bustling streets of Europe, our planet is crisscrossed by a network of borders. These lines on a map, often drawn with the stroke of a pen, represent far more than just political divisions. They are places where cultures collide, landscapes change, and history comes alive. Some of the world's borders are so fascinating that they become destinations in themselves, attracting travelers eager to witness the unique tapestry of human interaction and geographical wonders. Join me as we embark on a journey to explore 7 of the most interesting borders between countries, each telling a unique story of unity, rivalry, and the remarkable creativity of humankind. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on global fact trends. Let us know which border intrigues you the most. Our journey begins amidst the breathtaking landscapes of North America, where the United States and Canada share the world's longest undefended border. Stretching over 5,525 miles, this remarkable boundary is a testament to the peaceful coexistence and shared history of these two nations. Imagine standing on the brink of Niagara Falls, its thunderous roar a symphony of nature's power, and realizing that this natural wonder straddles the international boundary. The sight of the cascading water, a shared treasure enjoyed by both Americans and Canadians, embodies the spirit of cooperation that defines this unique border. In the quaint town of Derby Line, the line between the two countries cuts through buildings, creating a surreal experience for residents and visitors alike. Picture this: stepping into the Haskell-Free Library and Opera House, you find yourself standing in one country while browsing through bookshelves located in another. This quirky quirk of geography, a testament to the border's intricate path, has become a symbol of the intertwined lives of communities living along this invisible line. Traveling westward, we encounter vast prairies and towering mountain ranges, the landscape changing dramatically as we follow the border's winding path. It's a relationship built on mutual respect, shared values, and a deep appreciation for the vast natural beauty that unites them. Our journey now takes us to the Indian subcontinent, where the Wagah border stands as a powerful symbol of the complex relationship between India and Pakistan. Every evening, as the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the border gate, a spectacle unfolds that is both a display of military pageantry and a testament to the shared cultural heritage of these two nations. The Wagah border ceremony, a daily ritual that has been performed for decades, is a sight to behold. Soldiers from both sides, dressed in their crisp uniforms and wearing elaborate headgear, march towards the gate with synchronized precision, their movements sharp and deliberate. The crowd erupts in cheers and patriotic slogans as the soldiers approach the border gate, their energy palpable. The ceremony itself is a highly choreographed dance, a display of military prowess and nationalistic fervor. The highlight of the ceremony is the lowering of the flags. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting the scene in a golden glow, the flags of India and Pakistan are lowered simultaneously, a symbol of the two nations meeting as equals. The Wagah border ceremony is a powerful reminder of the shared history and cultural ties that bind India and Pakistan, despite the political tensions that divide them. From the grand spectacle of the Wagah border, we journey to the heart of Europe, where the Netherlands and Belgium share a border unlike any other. Forget straight lines drawn on maps, for here in the towns of Barl-Hertog and Barl-Nassau, the border dances and weaves its way through the very fabric of everyday life. Imagine strolling down a quiet residential street, window boxes overflowing with colorful blooms, when you notice something peculiar. A line, marked by metal studs embedded in the pavement, dissects the street, dividing it in two. Barl-Hertog, a Belgian municipality, exists as a series of enclaves within the Dutch municipality of Barl-Nassau. The result is a fascinating patchwork of nationalities, where a single street can change national hands multiple times. Houses, shops, even restaurants find themselves straddling the border, their entrances often determining their national designation. Life in Barl is a testament to the human ability to adapt to the unusual. The residents of Barl, both Dutch and Belgian, have embraced their shared identity, creating a community that transcends national boundaries. Our journey takes us to the Arctic Circle, where Norway, Sweden, and Finland converge. Amidst the snow-covered fells stands a symbol of international cooperation. Picture this, a vast expanse of white, the silence broken by the wind and crunch of snow. You've reached Trérix-Rossé, where three borders meet, a triangular marker painted in national colors. Erected in 1897, it marks the spot of harmony. Reaching this outpost involves snowmobiles or skis, but the effort is worth it for the awe-inspiring Arctic landscape, a humbling reminder of our place in the world. National boundaries seem insignificant in nature's power. Our journey now takes us to the western edge of the Mediterranean Sea, where Europe and Africa stand separated by a narrow stretch of water. Here, the Spanish enclaves of Ceuta and Melilla, located on the northern coast of Morocco, offer a glimpse into the complex historical and cultural ties that bind these two continents. Imagine standing on the shores of Ceuta, the warm Mediterranean breeze carrying the scent of salt and spices. Across the water, the Rif Mountains of Morocco rise majestically, their slopes cloaked in a patchwork of green fields and terracotta villages. The proximity of these two continents, separated by a mere 9 miles of water at their closest point, is striking. Ceuta and Melilla are remnants of Spain's colonial past, enclaves of European territory on the African continent. The border here is a tangible one, marked by towering fences and heightened security measures, a stark reminder of the political and economic disparities that often divide the two continents. Despite the physical barriers, the cultural exchange between Spain and Morocco is undeniable. The streets of Ceuta and Melilla are a melting pot of languages, cuisines, and traditions, reflecting centuries of interaction between Europe and Africa. Our journey now takes us to the Korean Peninsula, a land marked by division, where one of the world's most heavily fortified borders stands as a stark reminder of the Cold War's enduring legacy. The Demilitarized Zone, DMZ, a 2.5-mile-wide buffer zone stretching for 155 miles along the 38th parallel, separates South Korea from North Korea. Imagine standing on a windswept hill overlooking a vast expanse of barbed wire fences, guard towers, and minefields. The silence is deafening, broken only by the distant cawing of crows and the occasional crackle of a loudspeaker broadcasting propaganda messages. This is the DMZ, a place where tension hangs heavy in the air. Established in 1953 at the end of the Korean War, the DMZ has become an unintended sanctuary for wildlife. The absence of human activity within this heavily guarded zone has allowed nature to flourish, creating a unique ecosystem that stands in stark contrast to the surrounding landscape. Deep within the DMZ lies the Joint Security Area, JSA, a neutral zone where representatives from both North and South Korea meet for diplomatic talks. The iconic blue conference buildings straddling the military demarcation line, MDL, that marks the actual border, offer a rare glimpse into North Korea. Our final journey takes us to the heart of South America, where three mighty rivers converge, their waters merging in a spectacle of natural beauty. Here at the confluence of the Iguazu and Parana rivers, Argentina, Brazil, and Paraguay meet, their borders defined by the flow of these powerful waterways. Imagine standing at the edge of the Devil's Throat, the largest waterfall within the Iguazu Falls system. The roar of the cascading water is deafening as it plunges over the precipice, creating a cloud of mist that shimmers in the sunlight. This natural wonder, shared by Argentina and Brazil, is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. The Triple Frontier, as this point is known, is a place of vibrant cultural exchange. Each country has its own monument at the confluence, painted in its national colors, symbolizing the convergence of these three South American nations. The city of Puerto Iguazu in Argentina, Foz do Iguacu in Brazil, and Ciudad del Este in Paraguay offer distinct cultural experiences. The border here is not a dividing line, but rather a meeting point, a celebration of the cultural diversity and natural splendor of this region. Our journey across the globe, exploring the unique stories etched along borders, comes to an end. From the icy plains of the Arctic to the heart of South America, we've witnessed how borders, rather than simply dividing lines, often serve as points of connection, cultural exchange, and extraordinary natural beauty. Whether defined by towering fences, meandering rivers, or the quirks of history, These borders remind us of the rich tapestry of our world, a world where diversity should be celebrated and understanding fostered. They challenge us to look beyond the lines on a map and appreciate the shared humanity that binds us. So I ask you, which of these incredible borders resonated with you the most? Which would you like to experience firsthand? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned to Global Fact Trends for more incredible insights about our planet.